AI is everywhere. It's writing reports, summarizing meetings, generating project plans, and even creating project schedules. Naturally, many project professionals are now asking, if AI can do all of this, what happens to project managers? Is project management becoming less relevant? Or is our role simply evolving? The truth is, AI is not replacing project managers. It's replacing repetitive tasks. Think about it. AI can help prepare a report or suggest a schedule, but can it lead your project team? Can it build trust with stakeholders? Can it resolve disagreements or make difficult business decisions? Not really. That's where project managers continue to make a difference. Think about it this way. AI can suggest a project schedule, but it doesn't know your organization's priorities. AI can recommend risk responses, but it cannot negotiate with the customer. AI can generate reports, but it cannot inspire a struggling team. AI provides information, but project managers provide leadership. 20 years ago, project managers learned Microsoft Project because spreadsheets were no longer enough. And today, project managers are learning AI because Microsoft Project alone is no longer enough. The future isn't about choosing AI or Microsoft Project. It's about knowing how to use both effectively. Imagine using AI to help you create a work breakdown structure, identify project risks, or draft a project schedule. That's a fantastic starting point. But before that schedule can be used on a real project, someone has to review it, refine it, and make sure that it actually works. So the tools like Microsoft Project help you build the schedule, calculate the critical path, track progress, and monitor performance. So AI helps you work faster, but Microsoft Project helps you execute. Modern project managers do much more than create schedules. They lead teams, manage risks, work with stakeholders, and adapt to changing priorities. And most importantly, they deliver value. That's why understanding project management principles is just as important today as it has ever been. That's exactly why I created the program on PMP preparation and MS Project Fundamentals. It's not just about preparing for the PMP exam, and it's not just about learning Microsoft Project, it's about bringing everything together. You will understand modern project management principles, you will learn how to apply those concepts using Microsoft Project, and you will discover how AI can become a valuable assistant, helping you work smarter without replacing your expertise. The goal is simple: to prepare you for the way projects are managed today. Technology will continue to change, and AI will become even more capable. But organizations will always need people who can think critically, communicate effectively, lead teams, and make sound decisions. Those are the skills that define a great project manager. So don't think of AI as your competition. Think of it as another tool in your toolbox. Invest in the skills that will help you succeed in the future. I look forward to welcoming you to the program.